AC AM3 series portable power plant is an ideal redundant energy solution for military and commercial applications. Once deployed, the AM3 can sustain a power output of up to 750 megawatts off a single cell for up to 15 years. An optional dual-chamber model is also available, delivering up to 1.5 gigawatts of sustained power. This makes the AM3 the ideal portable power source for the most demanding industrial and military hardware. Powered by proprietary UAC Maxi antimatter chemistries, the AM3 allows for safe transportation even in the harshest of conditions. Boasting zero wasting seats thanks to the Nuclear's gamma ray radiation shield. The AM3 is the environmentally safe energy solution for all your portable energy needs.